Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing these brand new boAt headphones. Now let's get the headphones out of here itself. We'll get back to these in a second. For now, let's check this stuff out. These look like some sort of instructions basically. This just shows a lot of their stuff that they have, their merch, their other headphones. Nothing too really important. So let's get out of here too. And we got a charging cable, auxiliary cables, and we got a sticker here. Didn't exactly know what it is. Okay, so let's get the headphones now. Time for the big opening. They look really good, guys. The cushioning feels so soft. It extends a good amount. Wow, it is so soft, guys. Nice color, really. I really like the color. These boAt headphones are super cool and really nice. I know these are very good. For sure, I can already tell. These will work very well with Bluetooth from what I've seen. So that's all for this video, guys, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.